What's up, Go High Level? How you doing? Check it out. You don't know me. I know you. But, yeah, I work in the shadows. I don't pop up often. But I'm going to pop up because I built something freaking powerful. Check it out. Let me get rid of this. I built something insane. Insane. So, I like contracting. Contracting has been a hot niche for me for a long time. But, put it this way. I built a template, and it's a quality premium template that you guys are going to be able to apply 10 ways to Sunday. And yeah, let's look at it. Oh yeah, by the way, this is my software here, Jolt. It's my white label version of High Level. It's pretty clean, pretty organized. We got all of our stuff very well placed, very very clean cut, organized. Yeah, take a look at the calendar. Oh no, that's contacts. Can't look there. Yeah, we got that. We got that. Everything's good here. So let's get to it. What am I showing you guys? We are gonna look at the template. You guys want to start selling? You guys want to stop like wondering how to make money? Just start making it. Check this out. I put together this reusable template, and it's not just a template you're gonna get for a funnel. I'm gonna give you the graphics. I'm gonna give you the overlays, so you can use all of the so it's going to be a template for a funnel. It's going to be all the graphics templates. It's going to be the overlay templates. It's going to be full brand kit. You're going to get tutorial video. So this is going to be one of few videos that you're going to get included in this package. And yeah, check it out. Let's go look at this funnel. This one's called Contractors. So when you show up, unleash the power of tailor-made solutions. Contractors, bam, it hits you, right? You get to see what you're doing. Then we got the timer. We got to create that FOMO. And I'm telling you, this timer does wonders, and it resets. So it's always going to be a voucher. 30% is nothing to you. Just jack up the price a little bit. You get your demo video, and I'm going to give you a variation of different thumbnails that you guys can use on this funnel that will help convert. You need that pop. Dude, we're going into 2024. You guys need to have that wow factor. So you're going to have your entry video. You're going to show up. You're going to tell people, what are you? What are you doing? Hey very fast. People are going to know. Everybody. So by the way, big user. I'm a huge user of High Level. I have been working with this software for quite a long time. Nobody knows me because I don't like to be public. But I got something so good here, I have to come say hi. The contracting system unleashed. So again, you guys can interchange all of this very easily. This is where you're going to want to put your testimonial. You want to let people know that you have credibility very fast. Then put a little bit of information about yourself. Give yourself that your authority. Let people know that, hey, look, I'm a noisemaker and I'm here and I got something good for you. And then here's what I mean by brand kit. So I'm running a 10x contractors funnel right now. It's a branded package that I'm selling people. It's a 1.5K to start, 3K, and then 6K. It's a medium to high ticket product, and I'm pushing this like hotcakes, man. My funnel's pushing about 103K right now. That's this funnel. So then you got the moving buttons. Everything pops. It says, hey, check it out. And personal touch, guys. Remember when you're doing this, put personal touch. If it's you, if it's your client. All these pictures that I have on here are because I did contracting. I've had my own contracting business. I put my personal touch here because nobody likes to see a stock photo, man. You have any idea what your rate is on turnarounds when people walk onto your funnel, like opening the door to your store, see a freaking stock photo? I'm out of there. I'm instantly, fuck it, I'm going to go find another one. So personalize it, guys. Personalize. Then you got a nice little thumbnail here. And I suggest having a YouTube. Bring them right to your YouTube. And let's go back to the funnel. Come down here. More information sections. Another branded photo overlay. So keep it clean. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. This is going to give you guys the edge. And this is all custom coding. So I'm going to go walk through the back end with you after. This is a flip book. This is a flip book for your offer. If you're offering something and you have a branded offer, I call mine the Lead Zenith Pro. So Lead Zenith Pro pamphlet here. Come through it. Open it up, big screen. Take a look. And then zoom in. Take a look. It's just like going on a PDF. It's just like sending a PDF proposal, but more fun. And this shows professionalism. So in there, you can even embed your links on it. Let's zoom out. And then put all your offer info here, put your pricing, get right to the point, right guys? Always have your call to actions. Call to actions are key. As many as you can have without being invasive. Amazing. Then you got another section here, embrace. Like, you just need to pop. So this funnel pops and it screams, I want to buy it. You're giving people something that they want to buy without actually force feeding it down their throat. You're doing it very respectfully, very powerfully. Another button, call to action. And then what you guys are going to get here is a schedule a demo. But you're going to have a nice demo booking, a calendar booking. We're going to create you a few variations in text files that you could put here. Just, I need to know what your business is. Or I'm just going to put input fields here with key values where you can just change up the name. I'll give you a few variations. All you gotta do is change a few things. Always have nice branded footers. Okay, let's go back. Also the pop-up, right? So everybody likes the pop-up. When you get your pop-up, I've already subscribed to this one. We'll go look at it. We'll go look at it on the back end. So then, yeah. You guys, I'll teach you how to do this one. This is in
canvas
video.
To paint your success story. Saving your site is to increased visibility and greater organic.
Put something there. Put something for them to feel like you're giving more. Everybody likes free value. And then I'm going to give you guys this template here. And I'm going to give you an e-guide. Like, it's a very, very easy custom GPT that you can start building out your lead magnets on hotcakes. And then I'll give you the template for having visuals, graphics. So branding is key, guys. Branding's key. When you see clean, uniform branding, people look at you professionally. People give you respect. So I'll give you the templates where you can have your own covers, your own e-guides, and have it branded. And then give these away. Give these away. It takes you 3 minutes to make, and give them away. Make them feel like they just took $100 from you. That's what you want. So that's what the funnel is. And then if you book on the calendar, there's a thank you page. Let's go check that out quickly so you can see what I mean. You book a time. Okay, cool. Put your information in. Sure. Check. And then you guys are going to get a thank you page here. This comes with it. It's a 3-step, and you only need 3 steps. And then you guys are going to get a thank you page. Tell them how much you appreciate their time, and good to go. I will walk you through this a lot more. But, yeah. Let's go to the back end. Awesome. So here's the back end. Let's edit that. You guys take a look at this. Very easy. Come click here. If you want to change words, it's as simple as take it out and change the words. There's nothing to it. I've never made something so good, so powerful, and so easy to interchange. I'm rinsing and repeating this for multiple niches. Video. Come in here, your templates. Always have a thumbnail. Make it nice. Make it pop. I actually, thank you for reminding me. I got to upload a new one. Put that up there really quickly. There we go. Because we are branding for construction. We are branding for contracting. I have an actual, so that's me building a fence. There's the 10X contractors. Look how branded. Tell me that just doesn't pop. I love it. I freaking love it. I'm so happy I'm on 48 hours no sleep, guys. I love it, and I have 0 regrets. Okay. Everything's here. So this is your flip book. I'm going to show you how to do this. Once you guys order this, I'm going to show you how to embed this. And then I will get you guys set up. So post purchase, once you guys buy my bundle and you buy this template, you're going to get a call with me. We're going to do an intro, and I'm going to say hi. You're joining my family. You guys are now part of the Secret Profits as well. You guys, we do webinars. We have private Facebook groups, and we just keep everything clean cut. So you guys are going to join the family. Get this, and yeah, we'll set you up. Everything is very easy to change. Come down here. Just, where is it? Right. Start automating your profits. It's very, very easy. I put all the building blocks in place. You just got to turn the key. Okay, so that's that, and this is your pop-up or SEO metadata. It's all very well preset. You could just change a few things, change it up for how you want, but follow the guideline. Use it as a guideline. Make sure you always put your keywords. Put your name, brand it, give yourself that digital authority. Make sure you put your good digital. So actually, I gotta put that there too. Make sure you put your good thumbnails, make it pop. People, you need to get their attention within the first 1 to 3 seconds. Otherwise, you're not going to get them ever again. They're going to disappear on you, and you will never have your chance. So that's that. Let me show you the pop-up. Pop-up. So give away stuff on your pop-up, guys. Let them feel like they're walking away with something no matter what. Otherwise, you look greedy. You look like you're just out there for a hunt. Nobody likes that. I turn people down like that every day. And I also have another one for you, which is the icebreakers. So you guys are gonna get the 10 winning icebreakers. How to break the ice with cold leads without invading their privacy and actually getting them to respond. Your respond ratios are gonna be way higher. Yeah, check it out. Grab your funnel. You guys you're gonna get the whole Canva package too. Let's go to Canva. Oh, I'm going to give you guys this. You're going to get the template for, I'm going to give you a few variations in a editable template. You're going to get the booklets, so you're going to get to check out how to build, or again, you could just come in here, edit this to be whatever you want it to be. Very quick, very easy. I'm going to give you all of this. It's a few clicks and you got a fully customizable funnel that is top notch. So buy it up, eat it up. Right now it's $39.99. You're going to get all of this packed in. You're going to get a whole package. It's going to be a Google Drive link. And Google Drive link plus the Snapshot link. And then, yeah, you're going to get a calendar booking with me. I'm going to hop on. I'll walk you through it. I'll break you in. And I will also put you into my network. And now you're part of the Secret Profits Club. Welcome. Thank you. Hop that up, $39.99. Otherwise, literally, I'm thinking it's going to go up. It's going to go up because everybody tells me I'm giving away way too much stuff for very little. So, yeah, see, you guys are going to get your branded overlays. It's very simple. You don't like that photo. Oh, sorry, wrong part. If you don't, whatever photo you want to do, just delete it. It's a frame. All you have to do is literally drag and drop. So you can even put this here. Wait. You gotta do this position. Move this up, and then drag and drop. There you go. You can put any picture you want there. Branding's key. Remember that when you show effort in what you're selling, people are gonna buy it. Awesome. We're at 12 minutes. I'm not gonna take too much time. Eat it up, guys. $39.99. Do not waste this because I'm either gonna take it off because I don't want it oversaturated, or I'm gonna jack the price up. So eat it up.